Hello, this is 50 liters vacuum emulsifying mixer and it's ready to ship. Now we will test this machine. Okay, as you can see, when we packing this machine in wooden box, it's not necessary to disassemble any part. Yeah, we will ship the entire machine. And when you receive this machine, you only need to connect it with your electric power and water source. So you can see here, there are two pipes. This one, the smaller one, is for water inlet. So you have to connect here with your tap water. Yeah, we already connect with our tap water. And this is for water outlet. Okay, and then let's have a look on the control box. 放下来一点，对。So you can see here, there are 5 cables you need to connect with your factory's 3-phase electric power. These 3 cables is for connect with your 3 live wire, and this is for connecting with your neutral wire, and this is ground wire. Okay, and for this part, no need to connect anything. We will not disassemble it. And for this part, it's for water and oil tank. So we didn't connect any wires and cables on here. Yeah, because you can see the control panel. From the control panel, you can see there are control part for oil and water tank. So if in the future you need to add water and oil tank, you only need to connect the cables of water and oil tank into the main control system. Then you can control it. So for your spare use. Okay, and for the other part, let's have a look. The emergency stop button, yeah, the warning light, and this is the lightning for the cover. You can see there. Yeah, there is the LED light. And hydraulic up, hydraulic down, hydraulic up, hydraulic down. And this part for oil tank. Oil heating, oil mixing, water is the same. Oil, water tank mixing, water tank heating. Yeah. So for this machine, you don't need the water and oil tank. So this part is just for your spare use. And for the main tank heating, yeah, the main tank heating current and the temperature controller. You can preset the maximum temperature from here, and turn on the heating function, and turn on the mixing function, and homogenize the current, homogenize the time setting. You can set up the working time of the homogenizer from here. Yeah, you can see. Now the unit is minute. For example, here the homogenizer will working 10 minutes and stop automatically. The button, turn on the homogenizer, turn off the homogenizer, and this is for vacuum. And also here, there are 2 inverters for the top mixing, and this one is for the bottom homogenizing. You can control the speed, adjust the speed from here, and from here. Okay, now I will test each functions. Yeah, firstly, let's have a look on the hydraulic. Press it. 李工，你帮我操作一下吧。现在把盖子升起来。对，卸完真空了。液压升 ，hydraulic up, press there. OK， 后面绷直啊。 可以搅拌的吗？升起来。Okay, then we test the mixing function. 然后按下那个搅拌。Here, maintain mixing, and then screw here the inverter to control the mixing system. Okay. Bidirectional mixing system with a Teflon scraper. Yeah, for example, if you want to speed up the mixing speed, like this, screw it. Okay, and if you want to stop this function, you need to adjust the speed first and then turn off the mixing function. Okay, this is the mixing function. And then the homogenizing. 按下这个. Yeah, press it and control the speed from the homogenizer inverter from here. Okay. Okay, turn off the homogenizer. 关了吧。Okay, and then let's check the vacuum function. We need to hydraulic down the cover. 按一下压降，现在是真空。Okay, before turn on the vacuum function, we need to make sure, you can see this is the valve for the vacuum, and this is the vacuum gauge. You can check the pressure from here, the vacuum negative pressure inside the tank, and you need to make sure the other valves all is closed. Closed. Okay, closed. Okay, and open this valve. Then turn on the vacuum function. 好，我按一下。Here, the vacuum. Okay, you can hear the vacuum pump is working, and you can check this black point is go down to reach to the negative 0. Point now is 0.08 MPa. Yeah. Okay, when it reach to the maximum vacuum pressure you want, you can stop the vacuum function. 按下停. Okay, stop the vacuum and close the vacuum valve to keep the tank inside under the vacuum state. Okay, this is the vacuum function. And also we provide this transparent pipe for you to add some like water or oil-fast material. Yeah, for example, now the tank is under the vacuum state, so inside is a negative pressure. Your worker can hold this pipe like this and insert to your raw material tank. And then 帮我拿一下。Yeah, for example, your worker hold the tube and insert the tube into the raw material tank, and then turn on this valve. Then because of the negative pressure, your raw material will be sucked from this pipe, then go into the tank. Okay, this is the vacuum pump and how to add the raw material into the tank. 好，可以挂上了。 And okay. And after production, when you want to release the vacuum and hydraulic up the cover, you need to open this valve to release the vacuum. You can also check. Okay. Oh, and for the heating function here, you can see this tank is an electric heating type. So before you use the heating function, you need make sure the jacket inside was being filled enough water. So how to fill water into the jacket? You can see here. This is the water inlet pipe connect with your tap water, and if you have a valve here, keep the valve open, and you can see the water will go through this pipe. Okay, the water inlet will be used for the vacuum pump, and will be used for cooling down the. You can see the water will also go through this pipe and out from this pipe to cooling down the mechanical seal of the homogenizer. And also the another function for the water inlet is to, you can see here, the water will go through here to fill water into the jacket here. Let's go to the front to check. You can see there will have water go through here, and okay, open this valve to let the water get into the jacket. Okay, and when there are water come out from this pipe, okay, from this pipe, and then the water will go out to the machine from this pipe. So fill the water into the jacket, and then when you find the water go out from this pipe, that means the jacket was being filled enough water, and then turn off the valve here. Then you can use the heating function. For the heating function, yeah, here, press it. You can check the current. Eh, 这个煮锅加热按上去怎么没用啊？
这里面不能加热。你要加热吗？
线没接是吗？
不是没接，这个温度的话没调嘛。
哦，这个温度没调是吧？
对啊。
Oh, sorry. So you can see here. 按这个吧。Now you can see here. Now we cannot turn on the heating function because you can see the maximum temperature for heating. You can set up from here. For example, now we have set the maximum temperature is 29 degrees, but here this is the actual temperature inside the tank. The actual temperature already big than 90 or 29, so you cannot turn on the function. Okay, but actually when you are using the heating function, 已经加速过水了是吧？
可以了。
Actually, when you are using the heating function, maybe the maximum temperature you will get to about like 60 maybe. Okay, like this. Press it. You can see. This is the maximum temperature you want to get, and this is the real temperature inside the tank. And then turn on the mixing. Okay, you can check. Yeah. Now there are heating rods in this box. The heating rod is working to heat the water in the jacket. Okay, and when the temperature get to the for now, when the temperature get to 60 degrees, the heating function will stop automatically. Okay. and for the main tank tilting system, we got a black wheel here. You can screw it to tilting the tank to discharge your product. Also, you can use this valve. Okay, now we hydraulic up the cover and tilt the tank down. 把这个盖子帮我升起来，然后我摇一下这个。好。And for example, after production, when you want to discharge your finished product, for example, here is a storage tank. Screw this black wheel. Yeah, you can see the tank will tilting down to discharge the finished product like this. 好，回正吧。And the tank can be tilting more than 90 degrees to discharge all the product very easily. Also, you can discharge the product from the bottom valve. 那我开一下这个阀门吧。There is a locker. Yeah. Pull this locker and screw it like this. 好。And close it. Okay, that's all for this 50 liters vacuum emulsifying mixer.